Six Pakistan servicemen were killed in a helicopter crash in southwestern Pakistan, the military said Monday, the second deadly chopper incident in just over a month. The helicopter went down near Khosht, a small town in Balochistan province bordering Afghanistan and Iran. A helicopter on a flying mission crashed late last night. Six personnel, including two army majors, embraced Shahadat in the crash, the military said in a statement. No further details were given about the cause of the crash or type of aircraft. The area where the helicopter came down has not been hit by recent flooding. In early August, six Pakistan servicemen, including one of the army's top commanders, were killed when their helicopter crashed during flood relief operations in Balochistan. Fierce monsoon rains have caused devastating flooding in Pakistan this year, particularly in Sindh and Balochistan provinces. More than 1,006 people have died, 323 in Balochistan.